cold water storage tank, which is making a humming sound every time I use it. Every time it's filling up, it makes a long, dronier sound. Especially, it's very irritating in the morning, and it doesn't sound pleasant at all. Pretty creepy. Well, I sussed it out. There was the ball cock valve in there is just gone. Most probably the washers is gone, and looking by the age, it's the old one, and it's the new one. You can see that it's just totally deteriorated. And this is brass, and it's totally gone. Also, the reason why it's not stopping is that a valve inside is just not disengaging fully. Actually, it's not even functioning fully. So there's only a tiny gap in there, which is only letting water through. And when water tries to get to the and remember, these valves are under high pressure valves. The water makes a dronious sound, like, continually. Now that washer there, that's the culprit. But considering the age, I couldn't take this off. It's just impossible. I put WD-40 to take spanner on here and do that with my hand, but it just would not come off. So I wouldn't bother really changing the washer and do it just to change the washer. I'll just buy a complete new set, because you get the whole thing with it, except the ball cock. Well, you can see that this button here is working quite nicely. It's quite comfortable. There's a big gap inside there. If I could show you the gap, there's a huge gap. But it's a bit impossible knowing there's black washers to go. That's how it should be. But this is just, it's like it's broken, that doesn't work. So I would advise just put a new one on there. Well, that's what the cure for it is. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.